Welcome back for previous year questions analysis. Hope you're practicing more questions. Solving previous year questions helps you to follow syllabus and pattern more accurate. Which one of the following best defines the term state? A. A community of persons permanently occupying a definite territory independent of external control and possessing an organized government. B. A politically organized people of a definite territory and possessing an authority to govern them, maintain law and order, protect their natural rights and safeguard their means of sustenance. C. A number of persons who have been living in a definite territory for a very long time with their own culture, tradition and government. D. A society permanently living in a definite territory with a central authority, an executive responsible to the central authority and an independent judiciary. Answer is option B. In political science, the term state has a more specific and definite meaning. Word state means a community or society politically organized under one independent government within a definite territory. It alone has the prerogative of making laws. The lawmaking power derives from sovereignty, which is the most distinctive characteristic of the state. According to McIlver, a state is the fundamental association for the maintenance and development of social order, and to this end, its central institution is endowed with the united power of the community. What is the position of the right to property in India? A. Legal right available to citizens only. B. Legal right available to any person. C. Fundamental right available to citizens only. D. Neither fundamental right nor legal right. Answer is option B. The 44th Constitutional Amendment, 1978, deleted Articles 19, 1, F, and 31 from Part 3, the chapter on fundamental rights in the Constitution. Instead, it inserted Article 300 in a new Chapter 4 of Part 12 of the Constitution, thereby depriving the right to property of its fundamental right status. Article 300 directs that persons not to be deprived of property save by authority of law. No person shall be deprived of his property save by authority of law. Keep practicing more previous year questions. Thank you.